अस्सलामुअलैकुम ऑल फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपके साथ स्कोप ऑफ प्रैक्टिस डेंटल टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में मालूमात और स्कोप ऑफ प्रैक्टिस शेयर करेंगे। सबसे पहले है डेंटल असिस्टेंट DA 1 ईयर सर्टिफिकेट होल्डर और इक्विवेलेंट एक्सपीरियंस। पर्पस एंड स्कोप। These regulations define the scope of practice for the individuals possessing a secondary school certificate and either a 1 year experience or 10 years of hands-on experience from a reputable institution or the dental clinic. Qualifications: secondary school certificate or equivalent, minimum 1 year certificate in dental technology from medical faculty, competency invalidate through the assessment by relevant regulatory authority. Scope of practice: a qualified dental assistant DA is authorized to assist dentists and dental technologists during the dental procedures, prepare patients, obtain medical histories and explain procedures, implement sterilization protocols and maintain the infection control, pass instrument and assist during clinical procedures, take dental impressions for diagnostic or treatment use, take dental radiographs under appropriate supervision, direct provisions and maintenance of the partial and complete dentures, no prescriptions required, perform exodontia of primary teeth, handle administrative tasks including scheduling and record management, induce set patients on the oral hygiene and post-operative care, mix dental materials and maintain dental inventory. Limitations: cannot perform specialized procedures independently or conduct surgical invasive treatments, must follow applicable legal regulatory and professional standards. उसके बाद है डेंटल टेक्नीशियन 2 years diploma holder. Purpose and scope. These regulations define the scope of practice for individuals with a secondary school certificate and 2 year diploma in dental technology. Qualifications: secondary school certificate and equivalent 2 year diploma in dental technology from medical faculty and BICE. Demonstrate competency via recognized assessment. Scope of practice: eligible dental technicians are permitted to provide oral education to the communities, perform exodontia of primary teeth, provide restorative treatment for the primary teeth, direct provisions and maintenance of the partial and complete dentures, non-prescriptions required, design, manufacture, fit, delivery and removable appliances, can take radiograph, provide oral health advice, suture removal, whitening under dentist directions, implant over dentures, provisions and attachment adjustment, collaborate with dental professionals to coordinate care, operate relevant dental equipment and materials. Limitations: cannot perform specialized procedures or major surgeries, must comply with governing laws and professional standards, may not handle medically compromised patients for any procedures. उसके बाद तीसरे नंबर पे है डेंटल टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट BS डेंटल टेक्नोलॉजी. टाइटल एंड credentialings: recognized as dental technologist, independence and supervision, authorized to work independently and supervise dental technicians. Scope of practice: qualified professionals are entitled to conduct patient assessment including oral examination and history taking, perform scaling and polishing procedures, deliver primary dental care to the community, provide conservative treatment for the primary and permanent teeth, perform routine exodontia, pre-formed crown placement or on primary teeth, radiographic prescription, suture removal, rubber damp use, impressions, pulp therapy in children, palliative emergency care, educate and counsel patients on the oral health, prescribes preventive agents like toothpastes, mouth resins, varnishes, gel solutions, and other fluoride containing topical agents, administrative local anesthesia, and perform pulpotomies, conduct minor oral surgeries like equipals and mucils removal and suturing, take impressions, record oculars, relationship, and fabricate prostheses and orthodontics appliances, fixed and removal, routine periodontal treatment, perform shade matching and aesthetic enhancement, can deliver teaching and at dental hospital and dental schools. Patient interaction, may perform and above procedure directly or under prescription. Limitations, may not perform major surgical procedures, open extraction independently, may not perform incision or excisional biopsy, enucleation, marsupilation, lysation, may not perform gingival grafting directly, may not handle medically compromised patient for any procedures. Dental technology specialists, title and credentialing, holder of an MS MPhil in dental technology are recognized as dental technology specialist in community dentistry, independence and supervision, authorized to practice independently in clinical settings, qualified to supervise dental technicians, may consult dentists, public health officials, interdisciplinary healthcare team. Scope of practice, everything that a dental technologist perform advanced clinical procedure in relation to the community dentistry, deliver primary and preventive oral health care services at community clinic and institutional level, provide conservative dental treatments for primary and permanent teeth, perform routine extraction, exdentia, pulpotomies, and non-surgical periodontal therapy, conduct oral examination, diagnose common oral diseases, and create comprehensive treatment plans, interpret intraoral and extraoral radiographs, prescribes preventive agents like toothpaste, mouth resins, varnishes, gel solutions, and other fluoride containing topical solutions agents, conduct minor oral surgeries like equipals, mucically removal, and suturing, take impressions, record oculus, relationship, and fabricate prostheses, orthodontics, appliances, fixed and removal, routine periodontal treatment, design and implement community-based oral health promotion program, conduct oral health surveys and research relevant in epidemiology, behavioral sciences, and preventive strategies, analyze population level dental data to guide policy recommendations and public health interventions, serve in the advisory role on public health planning, dental service accessibility, and disease prevention strategies, train allied dental personnel in community health education techniques, engage in research development and innovation, participate in multidisciplinary collaborations. Limitations, may not perform major surgical procedures independently, may not perform incisional or excisional biopsy, inclinations, and marsupializations, may not perform gingival grafting directly, may not handle medically compromised patients for any procedures. Dental technology specialist MPhil, dental materials, title and credentialing, holding MS MPhil in dental technology are recognized as dental technology specialist in dental materials, independence and supervision, authorized to participate independently in clinical settings, qualified to supervise clinical dental technicians and dental hygiene professionals, may consult with dentists, public health officials, and interdisciplinary healthcare teams. Scope of practice: perform advanced clinical procedure in relation to the dental materials, provide conservative dental treatments for primary and permanent teeth, perform routine extraction, exudentia, pulpotomies, and non-surgical periodontal therapy, conduct oral examination, diagnose common oral diseases, and create comprehensive treatment plans, interpret interoral and extraoral radiographs, conduct minor oral surgeries like equilus, maculae removal, and suturing, take impressions, record oculus relationships, and fabricate prostheses, orthodontic appliances, fixed and removal, routine periodontal treatment, prescribe preventive agents like toothpaste, mouth resins, varnishes, gel solutions, and topical agents. Winners and aesthetic restorations, 3D printed CAD CAD and CAM prosthesis designing. Engage in research, development, and innovations. Participate in multidisciplinary collaborations. Limitations: may not perform major surgical procedures independently, may not perform incisional or the excisional biopsy inclinations, marsupializations, and may not perform ganglion grafting, may not handle medically compromised patients for any procedures. Dental technology specialist, MPhil oral pathology. Holders of an MS MPhil dental technology recognized as dental technology specialist in oral pathology, authorized to practice independently in clinical settings, qualified to supervise clinical dental technicians, may consult with dentists, public health officials, interdisciplinary healthcare teams. Scope of practice: everything that a dental technologist and dental hygiene can do, perform advanced clinical procedures in relation to the oral pathology, deliver primary and preventive oral healthcare services at community, clinical, and institutional level, provide conservative dental treatment for primary and permanent teeth, perform routine extraction, exudentia, pulpomacies, and non-surgical periodontal therapy, conduct oral examination, diagnose common oral disease, create comprehensive treatment plans, interpret intraoral, extraoral radiographs, prescribe preventive agents like toothpaste, mouth resins, varnishes, gel, and other topical agents, take impressions, record oculus relationship, fabricate prostheses and orthodontic appliances, fixed and removal, design and implement community-based oral health promotions and oral pathology screening programs, conduct oral health surveys and research relevant into epidemiology, oral pathology, and preventive strategies, analyze population level dental data to guide policy recommendations and public health interventions, serve in the advisory role in public health planning, dental service accessibility, and disease prevention strategies, train allied health personnel in community health education techniques, engage in research, development, and innovation, participate in multidisciplinary collaboration. Limitations: may not perform major surgical procedures independently, may not perform incisional, excisional biopsy, inclination, and marsupialization, may not perform ganglion grafting directly, may not handle medically compromised patients for any procedures. Dental technology research specialist, PhD degree holder. PhD degree holder in dental technology may serve academic researcher and advanced clinical expert. Engage highly specialized clinical lab procedures or according to his specialty, community dentistry, oral pathology, and dental material. Lead research, innovation, and scholarly publications. Serve in teaching and mentoring roles. Clinical and the academic excellence. Ensure adherence to the quality, regulatory, and ethical standards. Maintain rigorous documentation of the clinical and research activities. Participate in patient-centered collaboration on the complex cases. These are some references that are given in the end of the AHPC Council scope of practice about dental technology. I hope this video is very informative for you. आने वाली नई वीडियोस से अपडेट रहने और मुल्की और गैर मुल्की ख़बरों से भी अपडेट रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि हर आने वाली नई अपडेट से आपको बर वक्त गाइड किया जा सके। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए और अपनी दुआ में याद रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।